Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start real estate investing with Fundrise, beginner guide step by step clearly. To start real estate investing with Fundrise, first, visit the Fundrise website. Create an account by clicking on the Get Started button. Provide your email address and set a secure password. Next, complete the required personal information, including your name and phone number. Choose your investment goal, whether it's growth, income, or a balanced approach. After that, Fundrise will ask about your investment experience. Answer honestly to help them tailor your investment options. Then, review the disclosure documents provided for transparency. Once reviewed, select your initial investment amount. Fundrise typically allows a minimum investment of $500. Choose from their various portfolios based on your investment strategy. Common choices include income, growth, and balanced portfolios. After selecting your portfolio, you'll need to set up a funding method. Options usually include linking a bank account or using a debit card. Follow the prompts to securely connect your funding source. Once your account is funded, review your investment dashboard. Here, you can monitor your investment performance and portfolio progress. Fundrise updates you on your investments regularly through their platform. Consider exploring educational resources available on their site. These resources can provide valuable insights into real estate investing. Stay informed about market trends and performance metrics. Finally, be patient as real estate investing is typically a long-term strategy. Watch your investments grow over time through Fundrise real estate projects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.